Hello, this is Mrs. Liu. Welcome to Miracle Learning Center. Let us look at this maths question. Using the quadratic formula, solve the equation 3x squared plus 5 equals 17x and leave your answer correct to two significant figures. Okay, notice this is a quadratic equation. So a quadratic equation, if you have x squared, x, and a number equals to 0, you can use the formula. X equals to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So I substitute in the values. Okay, so you know that this is a, 3 is a, 17 is b, right? Minus 17 is b, then c is 5. Okay, so I substitute in the values minus b, okay, minus 17 plus or minus b squared, minus 17 squared, minus 4a is 3, c is 5 over 2a. A is 3. Okay, so I manipulate all this. Okay, I get 17 plus or minus square root over 2 to 9 over 6. Okay, this plus or minus. So I'll get two answers, 5.4 or 0.31. Notice they want correct to two significant figures. Okay, so this is my answer. Thank you for joining me. Remember, you are a miracle.